night, but nothing but a Christmas chill can light up. That is why Chariot has collaborated with Lucky's Beauty Salon to come up with this wonderful event which is called an Evening of Christmas. So stay tuned to find out what's happening inside. You're watching High Events. But right now I'm with Lucky, the founder of Lucky's Beauty Salon. Lucky, so what made you come up with this amazing event?
Because long time not doing the events, it's the corona situation. I want to do something, and I joined Chariot.
And how was the process, coming up for this final day? How was the process putting this up?
I'm so excited. I think it's a good event.
Well, right now I have Shiran and Dimuthu, who are the owners of Chariot, this wonderful line of yummy snacks and goodies. So, what do you have to offer for us today?
So today we are launching our Christmas range. So it's Christmas night with Chariot in collaboration with Lucky's Beauty Salon. We just want people to come, have a look at our Christmas range, enjoy our Christmas range, and have an excellent time of fellowship, friendship, and experience of great food.
And Dimuthu, how was the process coming up for this particular event? And whatever the range you have to offer, how was it coming up with all that?
It's actually quite exciting to do this, especially with Lucky as well. So we are quite excited, yeah.
And is there many guests coming tonight?
Yes, we've invited a lot of people and dear friends and very loyal customers of both Lucky and ours, who are, and most of them are continuous, consistent customers. So so we are looking forward to it, to have a great time and enjoy the rest of the night.
Gayatri with me. Gayatri, what do you think about this wonderful event?
I think it's so amazing. Most of all, I love the food here, and I've been a friend with Lucky for a very long time. Love his nails, and that's what I love about it. And there's so much to drink too. So I guess that's amazing.
And after all this time, after going through a pandemic and stuff, it's great to see people organizing events like this. What do you think about that?
To be honest, I love it because I just wanted to get out after the whole lockdown and after the pandemic and everything. It's really nice to see people moving around, and I mean, it is safe at the moment, so I guess it's fine because we are, of course, we are wearing masks and everything, so we are protecting ourselves. At the same time, we are having fun.
So I am with Marsha, who looks wonderful tonight. Marsha,
I love your outfit.
thank you. Marsha, are you someone who's always looking forward to Christmas?
All the time. I feel like I'm ready by like November. Like my tree has been up since like the 5th of November. So I'm like, yeah, it's just a little longer, but I'm a very Christmas person.
Sweet. And what do you think about the event that Chariot and Lucky's Beauty Salon has organized?
Beautifully done, beautifully decorated. I can see some music out there. It's sad that it's raining, but I'm sure it doesn't like dampen our spirits. It won't.
And are you someone who's always looking forward for the sweet tooth, all these goodies that Chariot has to offer?
I've been looking forward to the pastries. Thanks for asking me that. I've been eyeing them, but we'll see how it goes.
So right now I'm with this very stylish gentleman, James. James, what do you think about tonight?
It looks a beautiful, wonderful night, and I never expected to be on a Monday.
Yeah, I mean, that's a problem for everyone. But what do you have planned for Christmas?
For Christmas, I would love to spend with my family, and the only happiest thing that I will be out of the country also at the same time.
And have you tried any of the amazing goodies that Chariot has to offer?
I'm just beginning to try, but I did try one, but it's good.
Well, I hope you keep on trying. And anything you want to say about Lucky?
Well, Lucky, he's a lovely guy. We've been knowing him for some time, and we quite appreciate his work and all, because I would say my Greenleaf Herbals partner, she goes over to him to get her nails and all that stuff. So, and I would say as a guy, I do go to him to get my pedicures and all those things done. So yeah, he's pretty good.
I take the kids to school and wave them goodbye. I thank my lucky stars for that one night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I can tell I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow.
We have Yashoda with me, who looks wonderful tonight. Yashoda, what do you think about this pleasant event?
It's wonderful to be together again after this pandemic. Anyway, it's still we are inside that, but we have to get used to live with it. Event is wonderful, and I must tell something about Lucky. Lucky had been doing my nails for the past so many decades. He's a pioneer in this his work, his creativity, and I'm really happy for him. Now he's on his own and doing a wonderful job.
And who has collaborated with Lucky's Chariot? So have you tried their foods yet?
Not as yet, I just came in.
They have a lot of goodies that you would enjoy. And are you someone who's looking forward to Christmas?
Yes, it's though I'm a Buddhist, I have a lot of Christian friends, and it's part of our culture. We are a multinational country, so I'm looking forward for Christmas, and Christmas is something that talks about peace, harmony, and getting together, getting back to the good terms with people, about humanity. All that matters.
But right now I'm with Chula, who looks glamorous.
Thank you.
Chula, what do you think about this event? What do you think about Lucky and also Chariot putting this up after this entire pandemic?
I have to say Lucky has been like one of my really close friends, and I have been going to him for the past so many years. He has been my nail partner throughout my career. And Chariot, of course, I love their food, and I think Chariot food takes me to my childhood days, I think. And even the chocolate cake and all been one of my favorite things. And Lucky, of course, I think one of the best in the country. And I love going there because it's very therapeutic. So, I think most of the time the nail people, and I want to wish both of them, like, Chariot and Lucky, all the best for the season. And yeah, it's a wonderful event.
And do you think one reason you're looking forward to Christmas it's because of the sweets that you get to taste all these different kind of food?
Oh yeah, and the gifts too.
So I have Sharon and Mehari who is enjoying themselves, right?
We are, definitely.
And did you get a chance to have a little bite from whatever the Chariot has to offer?
Yes, and it's all been amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it's so good.
And I'm sure you want to say something about Lucky as well.
Yeah, he's amazing, and I wish him all the best with everything, and this event is really successful, so yeah.
And what do you think about the event?
It's been amazing. We've had so much from the time we've been here, and it's so nicely done with the decorations, to the food, to the ambience. Everything has been so good, and like she said, we wish Lucky but nothing but the best. He's been amazing from the day we've met him.
To put this event, tonight. So, Andrew, how was putting this all up together for tonight?
Well, first of all, it was, I won't say challenging, but it was something that we enjoy putting together because of the fact that this is just to show, like, our brand, to show awareness, to show how we have rebranded, to show our lovely Christmas range. So that's something that we're passionate about, especially in this organization that we want to bring out. So we're actually happy that, this hard work paid off, because actually we put this within a week together. So we have a wonderful team, very diligent. We stick to plans, we stick to schedules, and make sure that everything comes into place and it's fruitful.
I mean, it is very successful, and I heard that there's a new range coming out for the Christmas season?
Yes, definitely. So we have a new range that has come out. So before I dive into the new range, we have come out with some nice cakes, which is our supreme range of cakes as well, which are very delightful, which are really like 6, 7 star. Now for the season, we have come with confectionaries, we have come with, a variation of a Yule log, Brother, Stolen, mince pies. So we have a lot of ginger cookies. So these confectionaries and all are selling actually like hotcakes, and we haven't even launched it properly. It's just a soft launch and it's already selling.
I mean, just by looking at it, even I was getting hungry the second I came here.
Well, that's what we want to do. Happiness in every bite is our slogan.
So I'm with Nilanti, who I had to grab because she was having such a wonderful time.
Absolutely. It's a lovely evening.
And you and Lucky go way back.
Yeah, Lucky is actually one of my first staff who worked for me as I opened Nail Spa 18 years ago. And I'm very proud of him today to see how he's, has started a nail salon, and he's learned a lot. And it's lovely to see somebody like him who's, grown in the business, in the industry.
What do you think about the event that Chariot and Lucky Beauty Salon has put together for tonight?
I think it's a lovely place for an event like this. I, in fact, was telling one of my friends that it's really nice, the band is nice, food is good, and lovely ambience, yes.
So I have beautiful Dania with me looking all Christmassy with this wonderful outfit. What do you think about the night, Dania?
The night's fantastic, actually. I'm a very good friend of Lucky, so I wouldn't have missed it for the world, and I'm having a really great time.
And I'm assuming you get to taste the Chariot food and all the amazing things that they have to offer?
I actually come here very often. The food's really, really good. So if you haven't tried it, you have to try it. The food's amazing. And tonight, the food's so much better. Like, so good.
And what do you think about the fact that, after this entire pandemic scene, that these people have put this up so that people can enjoy? What do you think about that idea, the concept?
I mean, it's good to actually be able to get out, because I mean, we've all just been indoors for so long. So it's actually nice to actually come out and like meet your friends and have a small gathering, not together in big crowds, but like, little crowds, and like a little bit of fun can't hurt anyone, right?
An amazing evening of Christmas where Chariot and Lucky's Beauty Salon put up this wonderful, amazing event to celebrate Christmas. And we are counting down to Christmas, so stay tuned for many events with High Winds. I'm Satma Nagera.